Hey guys, it's Noelle. If you've been keeping up with my bullet journaling series, you know that I am completely obsessed with washi tape. It's not only just super pretty, it's also incredibly useful when it comes to hacks, spreads, and designs. The question is, once your washi tape collection starts to expand, how are you supposed to keep it all organized without spending a ton of money on fancy schmancy tape dispensers? Well, the answer, my friends, is to DIY your own tape dispenser, and I'm going to show you exactly how to in this video. But before I do, definitely subscribe to 17's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future bullet journaling tips and tricks. All right, let's go. I'm going to show you 2 ways to make a DIY washi tape dispenser. For the first way, you'll need popsicle sticks, a hot glue gun, scissors, an aluminum tray, and a wooden crate. I got this at Michael's craft store for $1. And some regular tape. First, you have to measure how far apart you want your rolls to be in the crate. I can maybe fit like 8 rolls in this crate, so I want to put 2 dispensers on each side. All you have to do is stick a popsicle stick into one side of the crate, slip on a couple rolls of washi tape, and then stick it through the other end. And then do the same thing on the other side of the crate. Position the sticks so that they're not touching the walls of the crate or the bottom of the crate. And then mark where the sticks fall on each side of the crate. Now what we have to do is create a mechanism to keep your popsicle sticks that hold your rolls in place. Slide your popsicle sticks into your crate and align them where you marked off. Take 4 more popsicle sticks and cut off the rounded edge. And then cut them in half. Now just hot glue one of these sticks on each side of what's going to serve as your washi tape roller. To fill your dispenser, all you have to do is pull one of the popsicle sticks out and load it up with washi tape, making sure that the side that your tape unrolls is facing the side of the crate closest to it. There you go. Now you have the basics of your washi tape dispenser all set up, but now you have to upgrade it by turning each side of your crate into an actual cutter. The first thing that you do is put a piece of regular tape on each side of the crate so that your washi tape doesn't get stuck to the edge of your crate. Now we're gonna make a cutter with this aluminum pan. Just cut a rectangle the width of your crate out of this pan, and then cut zigzags into the top to make it sharp. Then you just glue it on to the end of your crate. And then you just do the same thing on the other side. In order to give my tape dispenser a pop of color, all I did was take everything out of my tape dispenser, including the popsicle stick rollers. I laid a piece of construction paper out on the table. I measured how much I would have to cut off in order to fold the paper over the edges of the dispenser, and then I marked it with a pen. Then I hot glued the crate onto the paper so that it wouldn't move as I folded the paper over the edges. And then I cut off the excess paper accordingly. And then I folded the paper over the sides and hot glued it. On one side, I realized that I didn't have enough paper, so I glued a little bit of the extra scrap paper on to cover that little mess up. Then, using your fingers, feel where your popsicle stick dispensers are supposed to go back into your dispenser. You can use your scissors to cut a slit into your dispenser, or you can use a box cutter. Now you have your own homemade washi tape dispenser that holds 8 rolls, and whenever you run out of one roll, all you have to do is slide a popsicle stick out and slide another roll onto it. What I love about this is that it's super functional. You can see all of your washi tapes right in front of you, and it only costs like maybe $5 to make in total, and then you don't have to go out on Etsy or Walmart or Target and buy expensive dispensers. The second way to make a washi tape dispenser is super simple. All you have to do is repurpose an old box of tinfoil. So your mom gets to the end of the roll and it looks like this. Just empty with a roll in it. All you do is take your roll and place your washi tape on it. Look how easy it is. All you do is roll it off and then cut it. Super simple, but this is obviously hideous. So we should pump it up with what else? Some washi tape. And voila! That's all it takes to turn a regular old tinfoil box into a super cute washi tape dispenser. Tell your mom to deliver all her old boxes to your room. That's it! I hope this video helps you organize all of your washi tape. Now definitely subscribe to 17's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos just like this one. See you next week!